So here is a rototiller I found down at the metal bin. Somebody dropped it off. And why would they chuck out such a beautiful old machine? Clinton engines. So it's got a Clinton engine. It looks like somebody was trying to get it going. It's got a brand new spark plug in it. But this thing is fantastic. Why would anybody chuck this out? This is crazy. What a fantastic looking machine this is. It's so adorable. And it's got all the parts. It's got everything. And you know what? It's a Mary tiller. These are awesome. These old Mary tillers are great. So I am going to be trying to fix it up a bit. Well, actually, get it going. See, there's the fuel line here. Is that the fuel line? Something's there. Yeah, that is the fuel line. And I didn't even check yet to see if it would turn over. So this is just a little video of showing that I think that goes there. I'm not sure. Pretty neat though. And I don't even know if it turns over, so let's give her a pull. Oh, she turns over nice and easy. So, well, hopefully there's not a hole in the block somewhere. So, I don't think so. Pretty neat machine, I gotta say. It's different. So I guess instead of working on a boat motor this winter, I'll work on a Mary tiller. Or this little engine. I don't know what it needs or if I need to take anything apart really. So, does that thing just spin off? I don't know. I'm trying to figure this out. Seems like it's coming off. I don't really know. I'll have to figure that out. That is a neat air cleaner system though for it. So let's open up the gas tank here. Oh, I don't know if this gas tank's been open in a while. I don't think so. Take a look down. Anything down there? There's something down there. Something I better drain out of there. It doesn't look like it's nice. Doesn't even look like this thing's run at all in a long time. Whoa, the smell coming out of that tank. Okay, that's pretty wild. Okay, that has definitely got to be cleaned out. So I'll be doing that. I see. But I'll have to see if it's got spark. We'll have to see a whole bunch of things. If there's the right fluids in here. This is a neat tiller. Maybe the wife will want to use it. Maybe not. But yeah, it's old. I'll have to find out the year of it. I like these old antique kind of like things. And let's see. Is this the one? Oh yeah, that does work. It's right on. That belt is a little, well, let's just say it's hard. So it's really not doing much on being flexible anymore. But yeah, I'll be working on this and putting out a video or two a week on it, and hopefully I can get her back up and running. This is a pretty neat little machine. So yeah. All right, thanks for watching, and come along my journey as I try to get this thing running.